Welcome! In front of me I have Xiaomi Watch S1 and I'm gonna show you how to enable the phone notifications for this watch on the iPhone. Before we start, your watch needs to be paired with an iPhone via the Mi Fitness application. Once the devices are paired, we can continue, and now we need to check if the required permissions are allowed for the notifications to work. So let's open the settings on our iPhone. In settings, scroll down to the bottom. You should have the list of applications installed on your iPhone. Find the Xiaomi Fitness on this list and tap on it. And here make sure that the Bluetooth option is enabled for the application. Now we can go back to settings, scroll all the way up, tap on Bluetooth, find the Xiaomi Watch S1 on the list. As you can see, we have two of them. First, tap on the info icon next to the first one, not this one rather, then the tap on the second one. Basically, you need to find this option, share system notifications, and one of them has it and other one doesn't. So find this one, share system notifications, and make sure that this option is enabled. Okay, once it is, close the settings, open the Mi Fitness application on your iPhone. In the app, tap on device. You should see the Xiaomi Watch S1 device page for your watch. Wait until the watch connects to your iPhone. And once the devices are connected, you can scroll down and here you have the notifications and calls category. Tap on app notifications. You can enable them by tapping on the switch. And here we have it. We can customize a couple of options. We have wake screen. Basically, if you enable this option, if you receive the notification on your watch, it's gonna wake up the screen on it. And if you disable it, it won't do anything. And below we have list of apps we can enable the notifications for. And we have messages, mail, Mi Home, and other. You can enable them or disable them by tapping on the switches. So if you want to receive the notifications about the messages, you need to enable messages, and mail, you need to enable mail. And if you want to receive notifications from other applications like Discord, WhatsApp, and stuff like that, you need to enable the other option, like this. Okay. Of course, if you want to disable the notifications, simply tap on this switch right here to disable all of them. Okay, let's go back to the incoming calls, rather to the device page, my bad. And here we have the incoming calls option. We can tap on it and we can enable the notifications or notice for the incoming calls. So if somebody calls you on your iPhone, your watch will vibrate to let you know that somebody is calling you. And you can enable this option by tapping on the switch and tapping on OK, like this. Okay, so now we should be able to receive the notifications on our watch. So I'm gonna grab the phone, send myself a message on Discord. So I'm gonna type in something like hello, send it, and we got the notification on our iPhone and also on our watch, as you can see. If you miss the notifications on your watch, you can wake up the screen on it by pressing the upper button and then swipe down from the top of the screen to open the notification menu. And here you can check the notifications, you can clear them by tapping on clear, like that. Okay, and that's how you enable the phone notifications for this watch on the iPhone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.